Model 2016 Mercedes Sprinter 313 CDI short 20th anniversary long wheelbase, factory crew cab no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 191274. MOT, the 25th of August 2025. Engine, 2143 CCM 651 129 HPA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Start and drives brilliantly, no warning lights on the dash, very well maintained Sprinter. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, cruise control, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.